when you know that you have a camera on you, like you're accountable, you know?
Right. Yeah. I mean,
Ever since we started making everyone wear body cams, they have to tell the truth because they
yeah,
know they're on video.
yeah,
So they make
they
sure they
can't
do a
take
good job.
shortcuts. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
and they know that they know if they do bad, we'll expose them. So,
The boys look ready to mulch.
yeah, tarps are already off.
Well, it's hot. You're going for water before you start. It's a
Yeah.
smart move.
Seeing what material we're working with here.
The boys are really good about getting the key and the remote right away, getting the chute opened up and ready to start spitting mulch.
Oh, yeah.
Like that you hopped up and took the tarp off.
Mm-hmm. Just filled that barrel up nice and quick.
Getting right in front of the garage, main sidewalk right off the bat.
Right. These are just when the homeowner walks out, these are the first things they're gonna see. So these got to be good.
Make sure it gets done right off the bat.
Exactly.
And you got a lot of energy.
Yeah, hot day, bending over a lot. Got to do this while you're fresh.
Look at that. How far you're getting off one barrel. You're going to get that entire sidewalk done.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure.
A spot like that with those big shrubs.
Mm-hmm. I mean, this is just a spot that you can't really dump. Otherwise, you're just going to be all up in those bushes.
Hey, and hand spreading takes longer, but you don't got to rake it around after. It's already smooth, basically.
Exactly. You're going to have room to get a little bit of a dump there before those pavers. Full barrel there.
Oh, you just scoped that out and went right for it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice, just 3-pile classic dump.
Yeah.
Fixing the tarp there. That's a nice little detail.
Sticking to the fundamentals.
Keep things clean.
Yeah.
Some more water.
I'm really taking the water serious on this job.
I'm impressed. I didn't know that you were this good about it.
Yeah, I didn't really realize it until I looked after, but...
Do you think there's anyone in the crew drinking more water than you?
No. Absolutely not. I think I drink the most water by far. Maybe others on the crew would beg to differ, but...
You like that water?
I do like that water.
And this was right down the road from where we found Mulch Road.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this was the day that we invaded the north.
We did, yeah. Where were we? Andover.
We normally aren't really going north of Maple Grove. I would say is about the furthest we've maybe ever gone. South Crew boys. North Crew's always handling ones like those. But we had a lot of fun. I think the boys liked it up there, it seemed. Mike was excited when I told him we had a good time.
Yeah, no, we had a great time. Taking over the north is always a great time.
I think I'd say we conquered at least that part of the north.
For sure, that region, yeah.
Like another job pops up there, I want to go.
Yeah, no, yeah, I wanna go back. I would go back.
It's like fun drive time too.
Mm-hmm.
You get to really dig in on the drive.
Right. Some good ideas happen. Good conversation happens. God, and just shout out to Mulch, mate, too. Just so fast with those barrel fill-ups.
Yeah.
Getting right into it.
Those are just perfectly placed, perfectly sized piles. They're going to cover that area just how it needs to be.
Right, exactly.
You don't want to be putting too much on there and you end up having to fork it off at the end. You run short in another area because you fucking pile it on too thick on that.
Right. Yeah, I mean, people have been getting that damn tarp stuck in the augers of the mulch, mate, so I made sure to peel it back. So
I'm
that
glad
didn't
you're
happen.
keeping an eye on it.
Yeah, I mean, that's an
guys.
expensive tarp, so...
Yeah. Around the air conditioner is always a interesting spot.
But yeah, like when you fork, do you throw it into piles and then spread it out with the pitchfork, or do you like to go one at a time?
It depends. I like spreading with a fork in general.
I do too. It's a nice change up, to be honest.
Yeah, because you can really throw shit around and.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Little water break here.
And everyone else you can tell is working just as efficiently as you are.
Oh yeah, I mean
They're all doing their thing. Jordan there's getting a tree. Michael's
right.
going to get more mulch.
I mean, prime example. Look at the side of
Tom's-
the house; it's already done.
My
I mean,
goodness.
it's unreal. I mean, they already got under the 4-wheeler there. Attention to detail by South Crew, and you'll think this is a really simple bed or whatever, but these piles were strategically placed by the rest of the crew. As you can see, there's no thick spots. It fills up absolutely perfect.
There's nothing really spilling over the edges.
Right.
It's like pretty even along the siding.
It's just the dumps are perfect. I don't think
that's
I
the
needed
main
more
thing.
mulch or less, or it was just
They're just it's so easy for you to rake out.
yeah, makes my job so easy right here.
They know what it's like to be on the rake.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You do other things so you understand.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you can just see how fast this job's coming together. Obviously, it's sped up, but
We're, 75% done?
yeah, I mean those mulch piles were just phenomenal. The front's still coming together as it's a little bit harder, and I get a little bit of sprinkle action here.
Oh, there you go. I don't even know that one would need to be sprinkled, but maybe it's more visible than it seems. Yeah, never mind.
Yeah.
There's some space in there for sprinklers.
Yeah, I think some sprinklage would be nice. It would look weird if there was previous mulch under there.
Little backhanded rake action. I don't do that much.
You don't push it forward too much?
I don't flip it over upside down like you had it with the tines in the air.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe occasionally.
Yeah. I don't do that very often either, but yep.
Opening it up, I like that.
Yep, like we talked about foreshadowing. You can just see how quickly that mulch
Once
disappears.
you know it pulls the
my
load in
Lord.
past there, just open it up.
See what you got in there.
Because, yeah, at the end, you want to make sure you time it out right so that...
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, and then I feel like we got about a yard left here. We're just thickening up areas that didn't get thickened.
You've kind of done it all here, but I haven't seen you hop on a big blue wheelbarrow.
Yeah, that is a little
intimidated?
bit... sometimes. I'm not as comfy with them.
We just got our guys for that, too, kind of. Michael really likes them.
Yeah. I feel like the big blues are for kind of like the tedious areas. So you don't always have to go and fill up your barrel.
Sure. They're not as exciting either because you're not really getting in between plants that close.
Oh, they're basic dumps. You can't really
I feel like I'm still pretty skilled with it. Like I can
Yeah.
do some things with it that would
For
surprise
sure.
guys.
Mm-hmm. You can get so many dumps out of a big barrel.
Just like that, the mulch is gone.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, nice toss.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, and then
Smart
we
to
had
sweep it out before you pull the tarp out.
Exactly. Had a little Western Red Cedar job next, so had to make sure it was nice and clean.
Is that remote still not working?
Yeah, somebody's got to be there to press it on the truck.
Hmm.
Trailer, I mean. I feel like a lot of guys don't take the time to clean it out of the bottom. I feel like that's important.
Definitely. If we're not doing that, it's going to cause problems down the line.
Exactly.
Take the time to do it.
Yep.
Just make sure the key's turned off. It's not working.
Yeah.
like just check on it,
Yeah. Just to make sure.
As far as desirability of a job goes,
this is about as good as it gets.
Yeah, because you don't want just a boring wide open area. This had some obstacles.
It did,
but it had a little bit of everything.
Mm-hmm.
And the beds are clean.
Yeah, it was nice. Oh, here I hopped on a big blue.
There you go.
Yeah, I mean, all Schmidt is, I mean, look at that. It's already smooth.
I like putting a barrel away right away, too. Just get it up there.
Just get it over with.
And strap it right away. You need to with those or they'll fall out.
Mm-hmm.
Double strapping, because why not?
You have to.
You don't want to
Better be safe than sorry.
It's not that much hard to do, and you just feel better about it.
Yeah, no. It's just one of those things you don't want to be lazy about.
The only thing I'm disappointed in, we missed all the smoothing action. They did it that quickly.
They did it literally that quickly. Yeah, they don't call him J Smooth for nothing.
Jack Olmschmidt, two of the best smoothers
we've ever seen
in the country, I would say.
In the country. But Donnie, shout out Donnie.
Donnie is a legend.
Donnie is the best smoother in the game.
And Tom is always out there picking up chunks at the end.
Yeah, Tom is attention to detail. It's unreal. South Korea absolutely crushed this job. So smooth. You didn't even have to move the four-wheeler.
Man. Doesn't get much better than that.
No, it doesn't. Just about the quickest way to add aesthetic to your yard right there.
Well, yeah, I can't really think of anything you could have done better on that. I think you nailed it. I think everyone did.
Thank you. Yeah, I think we're all in top tier form, I think.
Body's feeling good. You've had some days to rest up now.
So good.
Yeah.
We are just in tip-top shape.
Calluses are built.
Yeah. We're always ready to just crush it.